Hey everybody, we're going to do a quick search online for some real estate. See what's going on. Okay, so 23321. So Bridgeport, that particular community, that's located over there, kind of behind Lowe's, kind of next to Trader Joe's. That whole intersection there. It's across from Bridgeport Marketplace, Real Life Church. You got Sabor, great Mexican food, if I may, and then of course next to that got Kabuki, great sushi, if I may. And then, of course, you have California Pizza Kitchen. That always works. And then, of course, you have the Walgreens, which you can buy drugs, prescription drugs. You guys. All right. So, but there is a walk around lake. It's pretty awesome. It's right next to Bridgeport Park. That's that particular area. But I do want to look at this particular property for sale. We'll pull it up on Zillow. Listed by. Who would have thought? Anyway, so 2,272. 2,272 square feet, 4+3. It has been painted. There was a lot that had to be done to get it on the market, so everything was freshly painted, ceilings, walls. They had some texture stuff in there. It was just, what a mess. But anyway, it's all been redone, and it is really quite a showpiece at $888,000. That is in Bridgeport. The big drive for this area happens to be the school that's there, Bridgeport Elementary. So that's also fantastic. And then let me just jump back here real quick. You can look that up also, of course, at Santa Clarita openhouses.com. My main system, that's going to be everything for sale. Let's pull that up real quick. Santa Clarita openhouses.com. And then, of course, you'll be able to jump on here and put in the number 23321. Oh, look at that. 23321. Beachcomber, yeah, of course it's going to pop up. There it is. And then here you'll be able to search and look at this particular listing. But it is quite a showpiece. So please check it out. Let me know if I can help you. Don't hesitate to reach out. And we do have an open house posted this weekend on Sunday, 12 to 3, November 23rd. Connor with Honor. We will talk to you in the next one. Thanks for watching.